Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert table in Google Slides. So for example, we have here this slide, this presentation, and if we want to add here a simple table, we need to go to Insert tab, and here we need to go to Table, and now we need to select how many columns we want to have. So for example, I would like to have 3 columns, and I would like to have 2 rows. So I select this area, and I click somewhere here. After that, table will be successfully added to our presentation. We can change position of this table, and of course we can type here the name of the rows. For example, I type here city, I press tab on my keyboard or click here, and I type here last name, and I click here and I type here maybe sales. Now I click here and I will type here maybe New York. On last name I will type Walker. And sales I will type maybe 100. Of course we can add here more rows if you want. You need to select the all row to do it. We need to click rightmost button on it. And after that we need to select, for example, insert row below. Then new row will be inserted here. And of course you can modify the borders of this table if you want. If you want to do it, you need to click on this table. And if you want to do it, you need to go to format. You need to go to border and lines. And here we have border weight. For example, I will select here maybe 4 pixels. Then it will be better visible here. And we can modify the type of the border by selecting this table and by going to format, border and lines. And for example, I will change the border dash to this one. And how you see it really works, yeah? So in this way you can create and modify your table in Google Slides. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's solved your problem.